My name is Imran and I'm the principal of Chelsea and Fulham Dentists. We're a practice in Parsons Green in South West London. I came across Blueprint about 10 years ago when I started the practice. We inherited a single Sirona chair. I didn't know what to do. It's a Sirona, never heard of the brand before. I called a company and they said to me, speak to someone called Shiraz at Blueprint. So I randomly just called up Blueprint Dental and I got straight through to Shiraz and he helped me out from day one. The communication with Blueprint Dental has been brilliant. I really enjoy being able to speak to the team. I know everybody by their first name. Always hear back immediately from them. They always make sure that I'm well looked after. We recently started the refurbishment project. We decided to have a meeting with Shiraz and Will because we've been using them for such a long time and they've been fantastic engineers over the last 10 years since we've been using them. We decided on all the different types of ways that we can improve what we've currently got and also how to improve and extend the current premises. We looked at various different things, different options. We went back and forth several times. We got really good positive feedback and also some really good tips on how to make things better. The greatest challenge that we had was the amount of space, the amount of room in such a small clinic. In Fulham, it's so difficult trying to create a cavernous surgery, for example. We found that Blueprint gave us the answers. We found that despite all of the challenges in terms of the lack of room that we had, the practicalities, the design, that they were always able to give us a really, really good solution. In terms of the results that we're trying to achieve, we're absolutely ecstatic about all the positive feedback that they had. As a Blueprint client, I feel really valued. It's really refreshing to call up and request for a really expensive piece of equipment because that's what I feel is appropriate. And then all of a sudden being told by Shiraz and Will, actually, Imran, don't spend this. Just purchase this instead. It's a much better solution. And I found, generally speaking, using Blueprint, I'm told what the best thing for the practice is, not necessarily what the best thing for them is. If you're looking for someone who knows digital dentistry inside out, there's no one better than Blueprint Dental. I thoroughly recommend them, not only for aspects of digital dentistry, but also for general engineering work. They're really trustworthy. Every time I give them a call, they always answer the question and they always give me solutions whenever I want them. It's been so easy to be able to contact them over all these years. I can WhatsApp Will, I can WhatsApp Shiraz, and they always get in touch. Sometimes I call the office and Shiraz just answers the phone and he'll help me out.